Good morning to all. Today we are going to see some shortcut keys which we can do with the help of the keyboard and how to hide the ribbon to free the screen space in the document. Normally ribbon is located below the title bar. It contains several tabs like File, Home, Insert, Design and Page Layout. Each tab contains many features of Word. Each tab is divided into several groups. The group contains a number of commands that you use while working on a Word file. One arrow picture shown near the help button, which one is located at the top right corner of the title bar. When you click on it, we can see three options. First one, auto hide, then show tabs and comments. Auto hide option is used to hide the ribbon automatically. Show tabs is used to show all the tabs below the title bar. For example, file, home, insert, design and page layout. During this time, we cannot see any comments below the tabs. At last, show tabs and comments option is used to show the tabs and comments together below the title bar. Now you can see all the tabs and comments. I am going to click arrow button. Let's see one by one. Just look at the screen. Three options are displayed below the arrow button. I am choosing first one, auto hide option. When I click first one option, ribbon is hidden. Now can you see the ribbon on the screen? Next I have to choose show tabs option. This time all the tabs only presented below the title bar. Last one option used to show tabs and comments together below the title bar. So what you have understood through this video, you can minimize the ribbon to free the screen space. Once it has been minimized, it can be restored. The arrow in the picture shown is used to hide the ribbon. Now let's see some shortcut keys to move the cursor in the document with the help of the keyboard. I am using on-screen keyboard instead of the system keyboard. First let's see the shortcut key to open the new document. You can press Ctrl plus N to open a new document. First press Ctrl key, next press N key as you press Ctrl key. Now you can see document 2 on the screen. I created document 2 with the help of the keyboard. Use Ctrl and N keys. Now let's see how to save a document through the shortcut way. To save a document, we have to use Ctrl and S keys. When you press Ctrl and S, we can see save a screen on the screen. Then as usual, choose the location where you want to save your document. If you want to save further information, whatever you have typed in the same document, simply press Ctrl plus S in the keyboard. Next, let's see the shortcut keys to open an existing document. When you press Ctrl plus O in the keyboard, you can see open screen on the screen. So no need to select the open option from the file menu and all. We can get this dialog box through the keyboard itself. So open dialog box appears when you press Ctrl plus O keys in the keyboard. Next let's see about page up, page down, home and end keys. Just look at the cursor which one is flashing vertical line in the document area. If you want to move the cursor from first line to last line or last line to first line, you can use home and end keys in the keyboard. To use home or end key in the keyboard, first you should press Ctrl key. After that you have to press home or end key as you press Ctrl key in the keyboard. So through this way we can move the cursor in the document with the help of the keyboard. Arrow keys also used to place the mouse pointer everywhere in the document. Next, page up, page down keys. It's nothing. If you want to move the mouse pointer to the first page, just press Ctrl plus page up keys in the keyboard. If you want to move the mouse pointer to the last page, just press Ctrl plus page down keys in the keyboard. So, screen up and down, use page up, page down keys. Beginning of the line, home key. End of the line, end key. Beginning of the document, Ctrl plus home keys. End of the document, Ctrl plus N keys. Around the document, arrow keys, up, down, left or right arrows. Those who have system at home, try to use all shortcut keys in your system using system keyboard. Students, I hope you have understood all shortcut keys through this video. If you have any doubt, you are always welcome to ask me. Thank you children. God bless you. Have a nice day.